In this video, you're going to learn how to post a job listing on Facebook. We'll walk you through everything you need to know in this step-by-step tutorial. Now, just before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. And with that out the way, let's get started.
So to get started with your first job post on Facebook, we just need to go down to the Create Post section on your Facebook page until you see the little job icon here and click on that. This will bring up a title for you to create your first job. So we want to go for social media manager. In this example, the work location is going to be remote. And we'll just pop in remote Woodstock, Queensland for now. We are looking for someone who is part-time. And when we get down to the job description, this is the opportunity for you to plug in the description that you may have written beforehand, or if you haven't, you can just pop in a little description here as to what you're looking for. We will then go down to the salary range, and this is where you will enter either the hourly rate you are prepared to pay for someone or the annual rate, weekly rate, monthly rate. There are a wide range of options available depending on the time and the length of your project. Normally, if you're looking for someone full-time, you want to go per year, and we could just plug in $50,000. And the maximum we'd be prepared to pay, let's say $65,000. And that will then bring up these options right over here, which is the screening questions. And it's a great opportunity for you here to start identifying the things and asking questions that you know someone who is a good candidate for this role would be able to answer. So in this example, we're going to say, what experience do you have with social media publishing tools? You would ask another question, which might be about something that is more specific to your industry, which could be, how do you get inspiration for creating content? And the next one could be, what are your favorite social media platforms? And you could also ask the question, when are you available to start? Obviously, it's very important to know when this ideal candidate is going to be available. Always a good idea to enter in an email address for you to receive any applications that you get. And it would definitely be great to go to application settings and require a CV from anyone who has submitted the job. Now, for the photo, it's nice and simple to upload a new one. We just delete the previous one and click upload photo. And we can just put in one of just an image of myself, for example. And this will then give you an opportunity to, which you can adjust here. As you can see, the image is quite big. But what we need to just check now is all of this information over here. It's remote work. This is what the responsibilities will be. This is who you need to contact. And then once we've done all of that, we're going to select next. And you can then boost the job if you want to reach more people. I'm not going to in this example. I'm just going to select post. And congratulations, you've just posted your first job here on Facebook. You will get notifications up here for anybody who does apply for the job. And if you want to give it a bit of a promotion, you can always select the boost button right here. And you can target people who you think will be good candidates for the job. This could be people that live within the local area. Or if you want to go a little bit wider, you can type in a new location if you want to go after people that are in another country.
So that's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found it useful. Please don't forget to smash the like button down below and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already.